Introducing the SCALA1 System, Grundfos's fully integrated rainwater management system. Rainwater harvesting reduces your customers' drinking water usage and saves on their water and wastewater bills. When you're selecting a water pressure pump for a rainwater harvesting system, remember to consider factors like system scale, intended use, local regulations, and environmental conditions. Grundfos's range of reliable, efficient pumps has assorted key features for various rainwater harvesting systems. The SCALA1 system is a fully integrated, compact and self-priming rainwater solution. Prepared for feed pump operation, it tailors performance to specific customer requirements and includes a pump with a user-friendly interface, an EN 1717 compliant brake tank, an automatic or manually operated switch between rainwater and mains drinking water, a float valve to regulate the supply of mains drinking water to the tank, an overflow alarm to prevent drinking water loss, and smart commissioning and monitoring with the Grundfos Go app. What are the SCALA1 system's key advantages for you and your customers? For you, the installer, it's engineered for straightforward installation and hassle-free monitoring. And with Grundfos Go, you can easily commission and troubleshoot from your phone. By collecting and reusing rainwater, your customers actively conserve water, reducing their dependence on mains water supplies, cutting down water and wastewater bills, and benefiting the planet. And finally, the SCALA1 system is built to provide comfort, safety, and reliability. Let's look further into those safety features. Dry running protection automatically stops the pump if no pressure or flow is detected, after 40 seconds during normal operation or after 5 minutes during priming. Minor leakages or a dripping tap or toilet refill will force the pump to start and stop in short intervals. This will be identified by the micro leakage detection feature, which turns on the leak warning indicator and, if desired, will also stop the pump entirely. An overflow alarm automatically stops the pump in the event of a leaking refill valve causing an overflow into the connected drain or wastewater mains. This prevents the loss of a significant amount of fresh drinking water. And that's the SCALA1 system, the fully integrated rainwater management system from Grundfos. To discover more or explore our whole range of rainwater harvesting solutions for the home, visit grundfos.com.